the shop. Steven speaking. It has been a long time that I didn't post any kind of video, and for any reason. I was very busy. I had a new job. In the past I was working in a machining shop, so now I was hired with a new company to help the machining guys worldwide. So I was very busy on the travel, and do not have any time, to work more on the heavy duty CNC. But now things are going better. I will travel less, so I will be able to make more job here in the shop and share with you any kind of information about the heavy duty CNC. But anyway, I want to share with you today some new things, and the first thing first, and let me grab let me grab parcel. So I bought a new camera, and it's a 4K camera, and also with a case. So I hope that I can have a better quality regarding the video, and also when you have such case, it's more easy to be close to the machine, and it protect the camera regarding the coolant and things like that. So pretty nice investment. I will use it in the next video to show you the project that I start working on, and I hope this little guy here with the case will be helpful, and we'll see if the quality of the video is better or not, but I hope so. First test, I know that some guys have some concern with the case. It's a plastic case, and the kind of plastic does not like very much the coolant, and time to time plastic start to cracks and to break. So I know that a guys at Precision remachine a case in aluminium, so this kind of material is able to support better the coolant and things like that. So I will do the test with this one. It's not a GoPro. It's another trade that I found on the web during the 11/11. So let's see how it works. And there is with the case a lot of attachments delivered with the box, so you can put the camera everywhere if you want. You can put on your head, on the back. There is some special feature that you can put on a machine, so it's pretty helpful things that we have with this camera. So we'll make a try. I know that the size of the video with such a 4K camera, it's bigger. Actually this camera is a 1080p. That means it's around 1900 by 1080 as a resolution, and for the 4K it's around 32,000 by 800,000. So maybe it will create bigger files. I use Handbrake to send the files and to shorten the download time, because I have a lot of concern with my web provider, and it's kind of difficult to upload video with this provider. But I have a new connection. They improved the download but not the upload, so that's why I use Handbrake, a pretty nice tool. And I have a new PC also. I bought a Ryzen 7 1700, and it's very powerful, especially when you make some video treatments. So it's pretty nice things. So here it is. So I will share with you, the small project on which I work, and make some video with these new guys and this 4K camera. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll be back.